Hey there, folks. Superfan here. Back at it again with a new video. Yeah. So, a little earlier today, I felt a little hungry. You know, I felt a little bit of snack, so I went to the kitchen to get some food. Oh, but lo and behold, the fridge is empty. Well, no problem though. I'll just get myself some Uber Eats. You know, I'm craving a little fried chicken. Except I won't be doing that because I'm broke. Most of my money has gone into VTubers, keyboards. Yeah. So, instead of spending $25 in KFC, I got this. For a smackering $5, I got a dozen drumsticks. Oh, save myself $3 too. I could probably buy some switches with that. Well, these bunch of drumsticks could probably feed a family of 4. Or a family of 1. For 4 days. Now, let's just get this thing open and season it. Generously, of course, with salt and pepper, because that's all I have. And then we're gonna fry it, right? Just get this into the fryer. It'll dip our little toast into it like some friggin' guy who comes into a hot pool testing out the water with his toes. Okay, now that's frying. I'm gonna go and cut some onions, some ginger, and some other stuff, you know, to make a sweet and spicy sauce. Because just fried chicken isn't gonna do for one video. Talk about random nonsense about onions or something? Just try to fill up time, please. What kind of script is this? Why am I narrating this? Folks can see that I'm just cutting onions, bruh. Well, you see. Well, now, after cutting up some ginger and onions, we add in some honey and sugar and soy sauce. Why do I need honey and sugar? Bruh, ain't that sweet enough already? Wait a minute, this is sweet and spicy sauce. I could have used this alone. I didn't need anything else. What is this recipe? Anyways, just add some of the spicy stuff. We got ourselves some sweet and spicy chicken. You know, and then we mix it all up. Let's check the chicken, see how it's going. Okay, it's not too bad, you know, it's a little brown here. That's great, that's great. At least it's not, you know, completely uncooked. Let's set some of these chicken aside, just in case. Now, I drizzle some sauce all over the thing. Don't use all of it up again. Just saving up some, no, just in case. And now, let's just mix it all up, get it into the nooks and crannies of the chicken. Now that I think about it, I could have made some cuts onto the chicken, you know. That would have cooked it more thoroughly. On the other hand, I'll get myself some pocket spice. 100 little spice to pack a punch whenever you need it. Let's cut this up and add it to the sauce. This isn't much sauce, but it'll do. Now then, let's get the Saturday chicken and get that start cooking up. And while that's frying, let's watch the other chicken burn. Wait, what? Bruh, okay, well, anyways, let's stir in the uber hot sauce. See how it's going. Give it a little whiff. Why would I get a whiff from... Oh no. Oh, I might have popped a bit too strong a punch. Well... despite everything, we got some chicken cooked, and that's all that matters. Serve it with some rice, and let's review it. Yeah, let's try the not so spicy one first. Yeah, I can't really taste the spice at all, not gonna lie. I just think there's not enough of that hot sauce. But the flavor is still there. Still good, just not as much cake as I want. Chicken's perfectly nice and cooked. It might be slightly burnt, to be honest. The sugar just kind of slightly burnt it. I just rated it about maybe 7. Very low 7, to be honest. Not the best sweet and spicy chicken I've made. Now, the spicy chicken. As for the really spicy one. Oh, that's... Oh yes, that's where the kick I was looking for. Oh, that's perfect. That's a perfect amount of spice. I thought it was gonna kick even harder, but that's actually a perfectly good amount of spice. Anyone who's not good with spicy food will probably not be able to take it. Oh, it's getting there. So the really spicy, sweet and spicy one, I rate that up. Good 8, almost 9. I mean, you might want some veggies on the side as well. That's been Cooking with Superfan. Thanks for watching. Click that like, subscribe, clean up your plate, and wash the dishes. Throw away the rubbish. Do your chores, man. Go! It's burned. It burned, man. Got some milk. Brr. Oh yeah, that's a good burp, baby. Oh yeah. Alright, bye.